where would they be, Ayla? Oh, here they are.
Something else, Tess?
And this also places more grass food, more habitats for other animals as well. So these guys are perfect landscapers, perfect gardeners of those countries in Africa. Not only plant food, following her, you might see them point his head at her, nuzzle her maybe, and these are all napping foot. And they are very efficient at reaching out in many directions, in all directions in fact. And quickly become nice and safe. And they can run at a burst of about 60 kilometers an hour at this stage. So they're very good running away. The baby areas get out on time and keeping their babies nice and safe as well. So the reason why
Look, he's got a bed on.
Look at his long hair. Look,
So I've got the top and see what they do. So we run up the top. Oh, like she's doing something up.
no, the seahorses can. They're flying. What are they doing now?
This is a really cool behaviour. And the board is really important to work out for ourselves as well. That behaviour is getting already so it's really asking those people, what can you do? Give us something that we haven't seen so far today, and you'll get positive result from that. So we want to make sure that it's impressions good, and gives a reason to be actively participating in this training session. Means that it's not just most of the time they turn up there and the answer is not that easy. Linking actual tools there, you know. And a little bit of a way that I be very much to be having. So whatever reason they might not be able to return to a while. We actually have a skill in that description. What are other skills? One name Emma and that very connection to see but what we
I'm the water.
Stand next to all the other Yeah, okay. Look who's there.
Where's the kids?
You're at the kids' window. You see the penguins? Aren't they cute?
Is that the kids?
That's the kids' window, because if you go to the other one, you have to higher up.
There's a couple of skinks and a couple of lizards. There's another one there.
Can I get a photo? No. Monkey? Itu namanya gini.
get to go down there, and he's really cute when he swims around.
Really?
Yeah. You'll see he walks along the bottom. Just making sure he's got all of his snacks first. Do we hear when I talk about what his favourite food is? Yes.
Celery.
Oh, he does love celery, but his absolute favourite, watermelon. He loves watermelon.
That's how widespread those are in what's in except for Norway. Yeah,
You need to look around.
It's walking. Can you see it? Is it smell like that is moving? Oh yeah. It's a leopard.
No, it is resting.
It's no leopard.
Yeah, it is a
Out in the wild. So the same thing happens here in a zoo environment. When they're young, they separate them and popped in here. Some Chanel, you name it. They've got some expensive bougie taste, these tigers. Hootan, he's a big fan of the smell of Vegemite. Australia.
Not where you can get what it is. Yeah, maybe on the other side. Hold your little foot.
You guys are so lucky, kangaroos. Look at you. It's good. Yeah, prep to Tuesday bring this mix. Big mix.
What a fun day this is.
Okay, kangaroos, let's let someone else have a look.